and welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies. How are you? Welcome back. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Jennifer Garcia. I am 23 years old. And if you've been with me for the long run, hi, welcome back. So, ladies, I bring you to this video specifically because I created this stunning sun-kissed look. I'm in love with it. I was recommended by my good friend a florist. I put a poll of draw my makeup and she asked me to do this stunning look. So yeah, so before I leave you with the makeup tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below any other makeup looks you guys want me to do. But yeah, let me stop talking and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao. Okay, ladies, we're gonna start off by our base. So we're gonna start off with our vitamin C. So as I do this, and I went ahead and washed my face before, when I was in the shower. And this, I got it from the BoxyCharm, so I don't know, I forgot how much it's cost. It's the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C, Bright and Boosting, Watermelon, Green Tea, and Pineapple. And I noticed putting this like in the morning before you do like wash your face and stuff with your cleanser is been doing a little help for me. I like how it feels on my skin. So I'm gonna go in with the Inner Beauty product. Shake it. This is supposed to help to set your makeup, energize and revive your skin, slashes filters away dull, tired and stressed out complexions. So I'm gonna go in and do my brows. I wanted to do my eyes first, my base first, but I think I'm gonna go in with my brows. And what I like to do, well, the pencil I'm gonna use is the I Am Inspiring from Realher. I don't know how you say it, but it's this pencil. Also came in BoxyCharm, and I am obsessed with it. Okay guys, I just finished like drawing in my brows. You could tell like one is thinner, one is thicker, sorry. But my eyebrows end up like this at first, but I'm gonna go in. These are from Shop at Lux. If you guys didn't know, I do have a promo code with them. Is this nice kind of brushes. When I first got them, I'm like, okay, yeah, I like them, yes, but for the feels of it, they are pretty cheap. I would recommend this for beginners. They already are popping off when I got them, like the thing here. I'm not gonna pull it because it's gonna pop right off. I was washing my brushes yesterday and one of them like popped off. I don't know where. So yeah, with that being said, I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way. And guys, I've been sleeping underneath a rock because this Too Faced concealer is a bomb.com. It's good for concealing dark spots, concealing if it's not your shade. I recommend it to use it as a foundation.
Nari-nari di dalam anganku, sesukamu. Ku harap ini semua tak akan hanya di cover belakang merasa tercukup.
We're gonna conceal our lids with the Too Faced. Like I said, it's kind of light. and I just do a little bit.
Tak sanggup sinarmu takkan redup. Your personality is some deep conspiracy. My baby, don't hide it though. Some people may want to love you more, some people may want to listen. Tentang kisahmu ojo isin. Dunia memang panggung sandiwara, tapi bukan berarti kita harus berpura-pura menang.
So we're gonna use 3 palettes today. I got this one from what's it called? My BoxyCharm this month. This is the White Lip Balls 2. This is the second version of the first one. I got the first and the second one. So it has this color. So we're gonna see what colors we could use from here. And the Take Me Back to Brazil colorful. I want to use these 3 palettes, and also the review for this one. This is gonna be like a tutorial slash review. The Bad Girl Loves No palette. Look at these colors. Like I said, if you guys don't follow me on my Instagram, then you guys are missing out, because I've been putting Insta stories and stuff like that. Like, I asked my followers, what was it, a couple days ago, to send me draw my makeup, and this is my Instagram. Go follow me over there. This is the look I did using the Bag Out Luxe palette. So I had my friend A Flores send me draw my makeup, and she said she wanted me to do orange, yellow, black liner with glitter. As you guys can see, it's right there. So we're gonna create our orange, yellow, black liner glitter look. I'm gonna go in with orange first, and we're gonna go to regular looks, because let's use her orange. I use the green and the whites, but we're gonna go in with my Morphe 433, and we're gonna grab sunflower. Didn't I just say let's go with orange? I mean Hottie. Hottie is for the orange. Just in the center. You see the pigment on that? And don't be scared to add it there.
Saat kau tak tahan lagi, tertawalah saat ku ada di sini. Your red lips and bold eyes.
Okay guys, so I'm done applying that orange, and okay, so I'm done applying that bright orange. It's buildable, but once you apply it, it's, you know, good to just keep applying. I have no bad to say about it. I'm gonna put that to the side and add and go in with our, you know, Take Me Back to Brazil, and we're gonna go in with our yellow right here. This on top of that orange.
You give me butterflies, you give me something, and that thing is invincible, that thing is precious, that thing is real. And you got it, oh baby, you got it. And you got it, oh baby, you got it. You're beautiful with or without the makeup on.
Add here in the center first, because you could always look up like regular. Okay, and it's gonna mark where's your crease. Let me go a little slight.
Makeup on, makeup on, makeup on. makeup on, makeup on, makeup on, makeup on.
Yeah. Listen. Is she gonna be a good gal? Is he gonna do you right?
See if I could go in with my highlighter here. Just gonna go in with the white and just use my finger. Ooh, that looks pretty. What you guys think? You can't really tell, but
Target on sight, is she gonna have a good time? Who you gonna be tonight? Is you a freak or you a meek? Whatever.
okay, ladies. So we're done doing our liner. We just have to clear. You know, I try to get them as equal as possible, but it didn't happen. So we're gonna go and prime our face with our e.l.f. Cordless Putty Primer. It's this one. At first I didn't like it, but now it's helping my pores a little bit. Decided, but I popped a few here. That's the splash. Grab that. We're gonna jeez, thank you. And we're gonna go in with our redner. I apply with some red cheeks first.
Girl, just make sure that your eyebrows on fleek, highlight in the cheek, yeah. It's not I don't want you to see the real me, it's just that I want you to see the best me.
Okay, ladies, so now that we wiped off that excess powder and stuff, went ahead and fixed my liner, looking sharp. We're gonna go in with our Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise palette. It comes with really like that light tone, medium tone, dark, and then that dark skin with red undertone. I use these three, but mostly these two. So we're gonna go in with our angle brush, you could say.
Older now, bad or not, you know I'm still fly, I still got you high. I ain't no Kendall, no Kylie. I ain't no Kendall, no Kylie. It's no big, you know I still got it. Ooh, I think I just caught you poppy.
And blush. And we're gonna go in with our Fiji from e.l.f. with our Technique brush or whatever you call these. And just grab a little bit of blush, just a little tiny bit. Okay, just so it can look sun-kissed. Ladies, so this is the final result. Hope you guys like this mini tutorial. Just a little sunset look. I'm obsessed with this look. Like, I love yellow, I love orange. I don't work with them that often, but when I do, I make sure I bring the best out of these two colors. So yeah, ladies, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave me your comments down below. What do you guys think? Should I keep posting more makeup videos, or you want to see something else? Open up for your guys' comments. Just be positive, keep grinding, you accomplish your dreams, and yeah, let's keep uplifting each other, and hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
You don't look surprised cause you like it. I'm not here to add on some mileage, but do give me some of your knowledge. I know that my day came out wrong. You know I just wanna have fun. Jumping on your bed like pom-pom. Afraid I might came out too strong. At first I was worried you hate me without all the stuff on my face, but you said that you like me for me, so I might go bare on your place. You still admit that I slay, and you said to me, girl,
And you got it, oh baby, you got it. And you got it, oh baby, you got it. You're beautiful with or without the makeup on.